Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the super easy makeup look I did for Mother's Day. Honestly, it takes less than 10 minutes to do. Let's get started. So first things first, you want to prep your face. I'm using the Freeman's gel cream mask, and it protects your skin from pollutants and leaves your skin with a nice, soft, and dewy finish. Now we're going to get started with primer. I have this E.L.F primer I'm going to put on my skin. It's a matte putty primer. See, it's in sheer. And I'm just going to put this all over my face. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless foundation. I did just get Tarte in the mail, but it was way too yellow on me. So this works really good. I have it in the color 360 Mocha, and I love it. I'm using a flat foundation brush to apply my foundation because I love the coverage that it gives. It does look a bit light on me now, but as it oxidizes, which means it will darken as I set my foundation. Now I'm going to quickly set my makeup with a fluffy brush and spray it with primer. Now I'm going to add some concealer to my under eyes and to my face. I'm just going to add a couple of dots under my eyes, on my forehead, nose area, and any other area I would like to highlight on my face. Now I'm just going to go over the concealer that I blended with a fluffy brush so that everything can blend in smoothly and there will be no harsh lines. So starting with my brows, I am going to just brush them. Please excuse my brows. These are quarantine brows. I have not done my brows in maybe 3 weeks. But I'm going to show you how to snatch your brows without having to do them. So right now I'm just going to start by brushing my brows in an upwards motion and taming them. I'm using Kat Von D's Super Brow Pomade in the color Walnut. I'm using Real Techniques flat brush, and what I'm going to do is just pinch it so that it stays up straight. Now I'm just putting some concealer under my brow to clean up the brow, and also I'm going to drag this down to my eyelid so I can use it also as a primer for my eyeshadow. using the Maybelline's Blush Nudes palette. There's no names for the eyeshadows, which is a bummer, but I'm going to show you guys which one I used. Going in with my Smashbox flat eyeshadow brush, I'm going to take that color and put it on my lid in a tapping motion. Next, I'm going to apply this glittery purple shade on the outer corner of my lid. Now I'm going to take this taupe color and I'm going to apply that in the middle of my lid so that it blends the gold and the purple color without having a harsh line. Now I'm going to add this dark brown color and I'm going to apply that to my bottom lid. This is going to give me a somewhat smudgy smoke effect. I'm using the Urban Decay 24/7 eye pencil in the color Perversion, and I'm going to apply this to my waterline. Lord, I almost cut myself because I couldn't find my sharpener to sharpen my pencil. Now, after I'm done with my eyes, I am going to move on to lashes. You can add lashes if you want to. I've decided I'm just going to go straight to mascara because ain't nobody got time for that. I'm trying to get this done in 10 minutes or less. So I'm going to go ahead with my primer before I do my mascara. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray Primer Potion. I'm going to spray this all over my face. And then I am going to go ahead and do my mascara. What this does is the primer spray will stop your mascara from smudging if you're doing your makeup. So let's get started. Now I'm applying Urban Decay Perversion mascara, and I'm going to apply the mascara in a wiggling motion. I'm going to wiggle the wand in an upwards motion so that it can apply evenly to the lashes. So since this is a quick tutorial, I am skipping the bronzer and I'm going straight to blush. This is the Maybelline Fit Me blush in Berry. Next, I'm using this Morphe Brontour. It's a bronzer and a contour. I use the bronzer side as a highlight. It's really pretty. last but not least, time for the lips. I'm using NYX matte lip liner in the color Cold Brew, and I just apply this mostly to my lip. I cover my entire lip with lip liner. And that is it. There you have it. This is my makeup look that I did do for Mother's Day. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more makeup, beauty, lifestyle videos along the way. Bye guys.